Hey everyone, I'm here today to turbocharge your morning with some protein-packed breakfast ideas that'll kickstart your day and boost your game. Whether you're hitting the gym, the track, or the field, these breakfasts are your secret weapon for peak performance. Let's dive straight into it with my absolute favorite, the classic omelet, but with a twist. Start with 3 eggs, they're your powerhouse of protein. Whisk them up and pour into a hot non-stick pan. Here's where the magic happens. Throw in some chopped spinach, a sprinkle of feta cheese, and diced tomatoes. This isn't just a feast for your muscles, it's a festival of flavors that'll keep you craving more. Next up, who doesn't love pancakes? But let's amp them up. Mix a scoop of your preferred protein powder into your pancake batter. Add a dash of cinnamon for that sweet spice and cook them to golden perfection. Top these beauties with a handful of blueberries and a dollop of Greek yogurt. This meal isn't just delicious, it's a muscle-building powerhouse. Now if you're always on the go, this next one is for you. The ultimate smoothie bowl. Blend together a banana, a scoop of peanut butter, some chia seeds, and a scoop of whey protein. Pour this rich, creamy mixture into a bowl and sprinkle over some sliced almonds, coconut flakes, and a few dark chocolate chips. It's quick, it's nutritious, and trust me, it's incredibly satisfying. Remember athletes, your breakfast sets the tone for the day. A protein-rich start not only fuels your physical activities but also sharpens your mental edge. These breakfasts are designed to keep you full, focused, and ready to conquer whatever challenges come your way. So give these recipes a try and let me know how they help enhance your performance. Stay strong, eat smart, and let's bring our best to every game. Catch you next time.